on the advice of the Director of University and Higher Education Government of Manipur regarding the Moodle training program. Mr. Mohammad Musa, Assistant Professor in Mathematics Department, has been nominated from Lilong Horebi College, and Mohammad Musa has successfully participated in the Master Trainers Moodle training program organized by the Directorate of University and Higher Education Government of Manipur. And we have also nominated unofficially as a colleague participant Oja Doren of Mathematics Department. And after the completion of the Master Trainers training program, the immediate follow-up actions are required from the institutional level. The first thing we have to do is to nominate one faculty from each department who will be designated as the course creator. This course creator has to be nominated from each department by the respective heads of the departments. Nominated as course creator, they should join first with the master trainer on an appointed day. I just want to request all the head of departments of Lilong Horebi College to keep in mind that there are some feasible dates for the meeting of the course creators. Mohammad Musa, who is the master trainer of Lilong Horebi College, according to his opinion, all the course creators nominated from the departments by the head of departments shall join together in the IQAC room of the college on 12th July 2021 to initiate the institutional level Moodle training program for all the faculties. Now we have only 21 participants. Out of around 56 to 58 faculty members of Lilong Horebi College, only 20 to 25 participants are normally join the meetings. And the remaining teachers are never joining such a meeting. And they are also not found to be active in any of the academic activities which are being carried out during the COVID-19 pandemic. As this is a pandemic, those employees who are receiving their monthly salaries regularly and their rights of enjoying their own salaries are not deprived, but the rights of education to the students are being deprived by refraining themselves from executing the duties. They shall be punished. Stern action may be initiated against them as per the Disaster Management Act. Or in such a pandemic situation, it is not good for the teachers to refrain from their duties. So I once again request all the faculties of Lilong Horebi College to join in such academic activities, including Zoom meets, online classes, and in any sort of discussions initiated by the IQAC during the pandemic. That is what I just want to appeal to all the faculties first. And next, I just want to highlight the point. Honorable Dharmendra Pradhan has become the Education Minister, Union Minister of Education, Skill Development and Entrepreneurship, while the lone member of the Parliament from the Inner Manipur Parliamentary Constituency, who was an eminent professor and retired from the Director of College Development Council from Manipur University, Dr. R.K. Ranjan, he has become the Minister of State in charge for the education. And we are very happy, and all the faculties and the staff of Lilong Horebi College extend our heartfelt gratitude as well as the congratulations for receiving the prestigious position of the Minister of State in the Education Department. And hopefully the Higher Education Department is also hoping for betterment in the near future. And the second thing I just want to report is regarding the BVOG Agriculture syllabus, which was drafted and submitted by our college. The Dean of Agriculture, Manipur University, has produced the final copy of the BVOG Agriculture syllabus in today's Academic Council meeting, and the syllabus and the ordinance of BVOG Agriculture is going to be approved today in the Academic Council meeting. Actually, the Academic Council meeting has been deferred since the last couple of days because of this COVID-19 lockdown and pandemic. And today, fortunately, the syllabus is going to be approved. This is one of the happy news that I just want to convey to all the faculty members of our college. And the third one is that on the suggestions given by Dr. W. Binod Kumar, who is the in charge of criteria number 1 of the SSR preparation, all the Godrej Almiras were checked yesterday by Johnson and his team. Oja Zakir Hussain, he was also there in the finding out of some of the documents, if any, in the custody of HMRM, but unfortunately no such document was found. The report will be given by Johnson in detail. And next, I just want to convey is that the action taken report on the online classes which were taken by the faculty members of Lilong Horepe College has to be submitted on weekly basis at the end of every week to the Higher Education Department. But after submission of the action taken report on the online classes taken by the college, the reports for the second week, third week, and the fourth week, these 3 weeks, the compilation has not been done because of the shortage of staff who is having some skills in the compilation works. And that is why we have proposed the name of Mr. Ingocha, who is also the computer operator in the college. He will assist in compilation of all the PDF files based on the action taken report of the online classes taken by the faculty members. Next, our IIQA has been approved on 25th of June 2021. And just after the approval of IIQA, we have begun countdown of the 48 days for the submission of SSR. Maybe on 8th of August or before that, if possible. But for our college, the tentative last date of completion of SSR preparation will be 31st of July. So that is another point we have to remind here with. And the library block, which is now in the upstairs of the administrative block, has to be shifted downward. Precautions as well as they are just focusing on how the institutions are giving facilities to the disabled candidates. So disabled friendly library has to be provided to the students. So the library has to be necessarily shifted down. And for shifting down, Oja Mohan, Midat, Ingocha, Johnson, and some other people may be nominated. This will be discussed in this agenda. And also, as it is done elsewhere in the country, Van Mahotsav being celebrated by planting trees. And I think when PR team visit has come, if we can show planted, these trees were planted during the Van Mahotsav celebrations this year, and that they will be very happy and impressed. So tree plantation will be taken off on a suitable day very shortly. And as far as the criteria 6.4.1 is concerned, institution conducts internal and external financial audits regularly, enumerate the various mechanisms for settling audit objections within the maximum 500 watts. In this regard, we are just planning for the audited statement of accounts for the years 2017-18, 2018-19, and 2019-20. Here again, we have already informed the faculties through WhatsApp group that the statement of accounts has to be provided as additional document, where the chartered accountant is going to certify the utilization of the expenditure as well as the income. The income will be considered as from the admission processes, and expenditure means the various heads which are going to be paid to the Manipur University and the fund allocated for the Students' Union, as well as the various expenditures met, the process of admission, in the process of election, in the process of examination, in the process of some other sports activities and these things. So we have to have the tentative amounts of the remunerations which are given to the committees, members of the committees constituted for the election, examination committees, admission committees, sports committees, etc. So these are to be collected, and we have to make a preparation on that. And now just coming to the agenda, Moodle training, as I have already told that it has to be started from Monday, the 12th of July 2021. One faculty member from each department has to be nominated by the head of departments to make them available at the IQAC office of the college on the set day, that is on 12th July 2021, and they will be the course creator. So this is the first agenda, and the second agenda will be the donation to the Chief Minister's COVID-19 Relief Fund for the second wave of this COVID pandemic 2021. I think I have already discussed with the president of Lilong Horebi College Teachers Association in the morning, and as advised by him, maybe the account of Ingocha or Johnson outsourcing the activities, that is the collection of amounts and these things are handed over to some other agencies. Like these people who are collecting the amounts from the faculty members, they will again deposit in cash to the college account or RTGS payment to the college account, and the college account will reflect how much amount has been contributed to the COVID-19 Chief Minister's Relief Fund, and they will assess the statement of expenditure as well as they can give the certification of the audited statement of account. In this case, if I remember, and I have also shared a copy of the same to all the faculties through the group. These are collected from principal and associate professors, assistant professors, non-teaching staff. And the number of non-teaching staff was 5. Assistant professors 40, associate professors including the principal 22. Dr. K. Kunjani Devi, who has got retired, Dr. M. Sana Tomba Singh, N. Santibala Devi, Mohammad Turab Ali, T.H. Rajendra Singh, M. Randhoni Devi, K. Krishna Kumari Devi, E. Bharat Singh, Dr. L. Sanahanbi Devi, Dr. S. Santibala Devi, W. Nandini Devi, A. Dhaneshwar Singh, S. Babu Singh, T.H. Benapani, M.D. Sahidur Rahman, W. Binod Kumar, K. Yaima, M.D. Islamuddin, Syed Zakir Hussain, O. Noyon, Muhammad Riyazuddin. These are the 22 people, including the principal. And they have contributed 1,24,435. These are the statistics. And I think out of these 22, K. Kunjani Devi has got retired. So Dr. K. Kunjani will no longer be there. And apart from her, Sana Tomba, who are the people who have already got retired. Dr. S. Anyway, some 2-3 people have retired. And in the assistant professors, Dr. T.H. Lakshmi Bai, 2,636 slave. Dr. T.H. Ibotombi, A. Kikim, Dr. Resma Khatun, T.H. Umabati, A. Satyabati, E. Anjusri, M.D. Ilyas, W. Binapani, Ibetombi, Sahaban Begum, Dr. K.H. Malaya, Dr. K. Sadhana, Dr. R.K. Kiranbala, M.D. Musha, Ratana Devi, L. Sujata, Sahida Begum, Somarendra Singh, Sidikur Rahman, Kokil Singh, Asalata Mashnam, Santi Kumar Singh, Bhaveshwar, Abdullahi, Sahid Khan, Bino Devi, Mohan, Ahong Sambam Robertson, Lema Popam Dorendro, Naurem Zibalata, Ningombam Oligachanu, Hetnai Lam Tauthang, Joy Chandra Kharibam, Muhammad Ahmad Raza, Ngambam Sapana, Ngasepam Pikeshor, Wangjam Pazabi, Watham Zenit, Sandham Sanjay. These are the 40 people in the category of assistant professors. And in the non-teaching staff, B.B. Mariam, she has already retired on 29th of May and she will no longer be contributing. O Joysari, I have never seen her, and whether he is there or no, that also not yet confirmed. O Joysari TP. MD Akil Khan expired on 23rd May and he is also not contributing. Only the regular non-teaching staff, staffs who are contributing will be Zakir Hussain and Salatur Rahman, and they are contributing 643 and 537 rupees. So these are the statistics that I just have in my custody. And another agenda will be the contributions to Phegokta and Amakta. And these were the letters written by the secretary of Phegokta, which was submitted directly to my personal number, and I have already forwarded to the group, WhatsApp group, and everybody has understand how the contribution is going to be done. These are some of the agendas that we are going to discuss. So first of all, I'm just giving the mic to Mohammad Musa, the master trainer of Lilong Horabi College for the Moodles training. Mohammad Musa, if Musa is not there, then nominated faculties from each department, you are requested kindly to join on 12th of July 2021 on Monday to discuss the modalities of the induction of training programs to the faculty members for the Moodles training program. I'll issue a notification regarding that. And second agenda, I'm just coming to the second agenda, the donation to the Chief Minister's COVID-19 second wave relief fund. So in this regard, if the president of Lilong Horabi College Teachers Association, Oza Bhorot is there. Okay.
Ojana tum tokpiro aduga akoi ojagi account ma ojana haibudo ojagi Johnson gi ora ma ora deda akoi myam gi dia akoi motu ku lo ju sigi kana je punya maju ngamdra da ado ojana panaba tokpiro habitai thamjagi oja.
Yang pare adagi di mathang si akoi oja kokil damu lake contributions to Phegokta and Amakta gi matang si ojana dum initiative biraga oja kokil ga anina amtang join up tobiyo.
Panjira koi kanone hana jo koi nam sai da hard pass kano seda du da ta godam ne habju kachu lejade ja koi ke ma ma gya kano ki bakha da lejaba pam jaba ari ka makta ge kano lejaba sing du ma ma ge kano du opinion du taroga ma ge interest du lejaba ni na koi na force to impose to wa man jo to dam ta lejade du na sai ki mo ki sil yo khol sung du gi kayo kanda mana suma activity tawuji da koi mateng wa na khaga pi ko khopa namu chingta trapi re mo ani gi da da hoji ki akoi ki mupsi lo islamni na ai wakanda akoi ki phallare ke di khaga pining mi ke nusul lai amakta waro Phegokta waro anu kan sai ki shuan pi ke dabni shuan adu de ka shuai na lejade ha ja ai ki mota da akoi ki phan khala hoji ki phallai tawji ki matang da akoi bisa khadang khaga chekhana ga Madurigi, Akoi, you talk about Mayam like a pay slip, this is what talk about Tanaka. I remove you, Legatica, Pitoxia, have a canoe, Leja, Simanga, Zayana, to Obama Seda, Akona, Simasimi, they have you like Yaga, the Akona Katan, Kanoma, Andaki, Toro Ponguzai, Mota, Zaki, Secretary Tana, Zaraga, Mana, Amadi Leja, did that. As the game Pitoka, Yamasin, Jomotamana, Mana Kanja, to the party.
Thank you so much. Oja Kokil, what will be your opinion as the Secretary General of the Lilong Horabi College Teachers Association? Oja Kokil. Anyway, Oja Kokil is not working. His network is not working. And next agenda will be regarding the criteria number 6.4.1. This is regarding the documents which may be expected from the custody of the cashier of the college, Iche Mariam. And no document has been received so far. No document received. So what will be the possible measures? For this, I just suggested that if the faculty members who are involved in the various committees like admission committee, examination committee, election committee, if you have remember of how much amount has been given as a remuneration, then that will be of great help to us. Anyway, the IQSC coordinator and assistant coordinator.
Sir, sige say mamangi kanoda dum akoina sports kisin badai na ningjing the sports kisin bara amadi yawe then examination kisu dum yaw bangan main group ta koi oja Rajendra na su tang detail loina dum ai bire sigi keno sing city account je loina submit tawram banina akoi ki personal keno dil lai ke oja da ngarang tv ro re ai si loina sasi isi mariam ge mat kanoda ka da leba ani du khatang oidori bra duga atopa election gumba sports gumba gi tongan ba ngira se tongan election adu dai daga su loina check to birap sa na tanga ta
Johnson dong hand get Johnson please. Johnson is there.
Marang itu saya isi maram ne koi udah kiri taruhkan tim mina bane apa my god test lagi ada god test lagi boleh amra sum file mata tadi pergi exam committee dia tu dia harga manung da nam ta yarum da bai tare
Okay.
file ki batas nang dilang ta ba mai le na da ba che jang ba yarum ba adu na tu poto adu mon le ta ba ki oja sakki ke taroga election ki kalmina do hanga ga yeng ba pergi principal da budget statement na thagat pa do adu ki budi ani kana phang
yare ani phang budu yam fare ani tu dege do makhona khara adu da reference to toraga satra masinga photo ga
da satra masinga toraga to maina reference ro chema jira naina ba degi amana sports ki jo sport ki phang da ba sa examination ki jo budget ama principal da koi thagat pu gi do ri pot ju adu ju phang ya do duna dum satra masinga yeng ga ko la jena adu maina na ojaga na da se ki haina bane pa je potom
yare adu di hari basing se sem na oja zakir na sem na chumani haina khale oja zakir ga oja zakir autang oja zakir yabiradi opinion ta hanagi mamangi chawrapa tentative oiba kanong khak tentative oiba akogi statement of expenditure am khak ojana hapet bikhapira ga yam phagani haina khale oja zakir si yawdo male adu orgedi list of khogi oja singi faculty gi nan teaching gi aina ma thola ge aduga mogi respective amounts speak it over su hapa ge aduga I will sell complete the contribution on or before kaya tang kaya gum lepsi ge try to lepsira tamanga lepsira 12 na phagadra. Thank you so much for participating all the 23 participants in this special Zoom meet which is very urgently held this day, the 8th of July 2021, and we have discussed about how to launch the induction of Moodle training program to the faculty members. Thank you so much, all the faculties participating in this special meeting. Thank you.
Thank you.